E 8 miliona tāngata e aru ana I āia I runga I te ipurangi. He rongonui a Alex Aiono I runga I a tiriata me te ahano Aotearoa ia. Hei tā te rina kōwhai a hakoa I tipu ake ia ki Amerika, he mea nui tōna whakapapa Māori.
Baby, I like your style.
Nā ngā waiata hanumi pēnei, I rongonui ai te ingoa o Alex Aiono I te ao ipurangi.
I didn't even know that it was going to happen. I didn't plan for, this YouTube thing to take off.
Haurua piriona ngā mātakitanga I ana kiriata, kua mahi ngā tahi te māhuri puke ngā raunei ki e tahi toa Grammys. Kei te maru o Interscope Records ia, tahi te momo ia Kendrick Lamar, rātou ko Lady Gaga, ko Eminem. Hei tāna e mana ko ana ia, kia titua e tahi waiata tā kirikiri I te ngākau.
My goal is to always just make really honest music and music that the fans can relate to.
Mai I tana kōpai tuatahi question ki Work the Middle, tai atu ki tana mahi ngātahi kia T-Pain mo te waiata One at a Time, ka mihi a e ia I tōna whakapapa Māori.
I love the culture. I love the fact that music is so heavy in it and the family, the strong family ties and whatnot, it's very important to me.
So you know I got that mean Māori blood.
So my dad, he's originally from Tolaga Bay in Ngāti Porou. We got to go stay out on the marae about 2 years ago, and so getting to go out there and meet a lot of aunties and uncles that I'd never met before. And I learned Tikatonu, which is the haka that they welcomed me with yesterday, and so I've gotten to be a part of a lot of pofitis, and I've gotten to be a part of a lot of hakas for like weddings and whatnot. But it was the first time that it was for me. And so getting to just see my family and they just welcome me home and just feel that passion and love was amazing.
Te kau mā whā te pakeke a Aiono, te wā I hunuku tōna whānau ki Los Angeles, hei tautoko ake I aia me ona whāinga I roto I te ao waiata.
Just the fact that my family kind of believed in me and they loved and sacrificed for me to live out this dream, it's so important to me. I don't think that I'd be able to, be on this journey like I am.
They lose it when the DJ drops the needle. Every time I was in LA, I was with my ex-girlfriend.
Ko tētahi anō o ana kiriata kua whānui te hora I te ao ipurangi, he mahi ngātahi ki te taha o te kai waiata whanaunga anō hoki, ko William Singe.
It was crazy because we were working together and I didn't even know until after we had finished our first video. I was asking him, if he knew his roots in New Zealand, and we were both Ngāti Porou.
Now I hear you're really good at Spanish. I was wanting to know, how's your te reo Māori?
Oh, my Māori is past the haka. It's not too good.
I pātai au te pātai, mena ka waiata ia I roto I te reo Māori.
It's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful language, and it makes me so proud to be Māori, and so I would definitely be down to sing one.
You make me feel like burning.
Hei tā Aiono, ko tōna wawata, ka whakaputa tōna kōpai puoro tuatahi I te taunei. Te rina kōwhai, te karere.